Good day everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today's video is all about microbial metabolism. Throughout Earth history, microbial metabolism has been driving force behind the development and maintenance of the planet biosphere. Eukaryotic organisms such as plants and animals typically depend on organism molecules for energy, growth, and reproduction. Prokaryotes, on the other hand, can metabolize a wide range of organic as well as inorganic matter. From complex organic molecules like cellulose to inorganic molecules and ions such as atmospheric nitrogen, molecular hydrogen, sulfide, manganese ions, and ferrous iron and ferric iron, to name a few. By metabolizing such substances, microbes chemically convert them to other form. In some cases, microbial metabolism produces chemicals that can be harmful to other organisms. In other, it produces substances that are essential to the metabolism and survival of other life forms. Prokaryotes have great metabolic diversity with important consequences to other forms. Acidic mine drainage is a serious environmental problem resulting from the introduction of water and oxygen to sulfide oxidizing bacteria during mining processes. These bacteria produce a large amount of sulfuric acid as byproduct of their metabolism, resulting in a low pH environment that can kill many aquatic plants and animals. On the other hand, some prokaryotes are essential to other life forms. Root nodules of many plants house nitrogen-fixing bacteria that convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, providing as usual nitrogen source of these plants. Metabolism equals sum of anabolic and catabolic pathway. Catabolism refers to the exorganic process by which energy released by the breakdown of organic compounds such as glucose can be used to synthesize the form of energy required to the cellular work. Anabolism. Anabolism is the endergonic process that uses the energy stored in ATP to synthesize the building blocks of macromolecules that make up the cell. Precursor metabolites are intermediate molecules in catabolic and anabolic pathway. Energy metabolism. Two forms of energy are available to life. Chemical is chemotropes. Light is phototropes. Modes of ATP production are involved oxidation, reduction, reaction. Substrate level phosphorylation. Substrate level phosphorylation is a metabolism reaction that results in the production of ATP or GTP by transfer of phosphate group from a substance directly to ADP or GDP, transferring from a higher energy into a lower product. Electron transport phosphorylation or oxidative phosphorylation. The electron transport chain is a series of complex that transfer electrons from electrons donor to electron acceptor via redox reaction and couple this electron transfer with the transfer of protons across a membrane. The electron transport chain is a bulk of peptides, enzymes, and other molecules. Photophosphorylation is the process of utilizing light energy from photosynthesis to convert ADP to ATP. Is the process of synthesizing energy-rich ATP molecules by transferring the phosphate group into ED molecules in the presence of light. Cyclic photophosphorylation can be defined as the synthesis of ATP coupled to electron transport activity by photosystem 1 solely. and can therefore proceed in a long wavelength. This process is unaffected by the specific inhibitor of photosystem II. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the light-requiring part of photosynthesis in higher plants, which an electrons donor is required. And oxygen is produced as a waste product. It consists two photoreaction resulting in the synthesis of ATP and NADPH2.